Hi there, let's look at the pronunciation of these two words. They look virtually the same in terms of spelling. One is spelled with OF and the other is OFF. But there is a wide difference in the pronunciation of these two words, and I would like you to take note of the difference. The first one is pronounced as av, whereas the second one is of. Then looking at the transcription, we have the schwa sound followed by the voiced labiodental fricative sound. But in the second one, we have the o sound followed by the voiceless labiodental fricative sound. Labiodental fricative sound is that sound produced with the help of the upper teeth and the lower lip. That's why we call it labiodental. Labio from the word lip and then dental from the word teeth. Right. So we use the lower lip and the upper teeth when pronouncing this sound. For example, and so is the voiced form, whereas the voiceless form. So in the first word, we have the sound at the end, whereas in the second one, we have the sound at the end. So how do we know the one that is voiced and the one that is voiceless? When you say there is no vibration in your vocal cord, but when you say there is vibration in your vocal cord. So the one that is represented by a symbol that looks like F is the voiceless, whereas the one that is represented by a symbol that looks like B is the voiced form. So note the two pronunciation and the sound we have in each of them, because they are always confusing. The first one is of, the second one is of. I hope you've learned something from this video. I remain Teacher Dixon.